do you like spending money on?
In the mic. There's a second option also, which is like just a little less better than the one I want.
So you mean worse?
You're very positive about it. I like it.
Yeah,
A little less best than...
Whoa, yes!
I think this makes more sense. This will catch sound
I
now.
told him to get the word Mandarin written in Japanese.
No, it's ulta. It's
Sorry, the word Japanese written in
No, no.
Mandarin.
Yeah. That's this tattoo.
sorry.
Is the word Japanese in
That's
Mandarin.
actually a brilliant joke. Sorry, I have to speak into the mic. I'm so sorry.
I'm so glad you're bad with Mike because I've been bad with Mike all this podcast.
Q7 scene. That's not even 7 scene, is it?
Man, this episode's so off the rails.
Oh my
It's great. I love it.
Okay, so the story behind this is my sister and I always have a like, hi, you want a friend?
And he's there. He's right beside us.
He's like acting extra sick.
Hello. Welcome to another episode of Spender Bender. My name's Govind. This is Hoshang. That's Antariksh
Hello.
with that weird camera angle that just shows the side of his face.
And a cat.
And whole of
and-
Myra.
and a photo of Myra. Yes.
2/3 of Myra.
Yes.
She looks
And-
like she's about to pounce on us any second.
3/4 of Myra. Yeah.
And
Sorry, my
today-
maths was really bad.
Today we have a guest with us who has made a video on every suburb of Mumbai except Kandivali, where I'm from. I'm waiting for fucking Kandivali. That's the reason he's here. I just want to pitch Kandivali. Welcome, Jay.
Jay. Dude, he has made videos on other cities but not Kandivali.
See, because the thing is, I realized that Kandivali is an offshoot of Borivali. It wants to be Borivali, but
It's true. It's
yes.
true.
Like it's
You'll have
trying
to-
really hard.
Sorry, I have to speak into the mic. I'm so sorry.
I'm so glad you're bad with Mike because I've been bad with Mike all this podcast.
This is me when I'm performing on stage and my sister's like, this is how you sing.
He was so bad with Mike's one episode. We had to put a headphone.
Headphones on.
You'll have to
Lapel. just gonna keep it like this now.
Hey!
I think this makes more sense. This will catch sound now. This is great.
Yeah, it's like you're giving birth to a mic.
Who's giving both from the
Dude,
chest?
but
over?
I've never seen someone worse than you with a
Yeah,
mic.
yeah. Dude, thank you so much. Thank you so much. dude.
Well done.
This is such a backhanded compliment.
No, because see, what he does is he talks, okay, and then when he has to move his head, the mic stays here, and he just goes ahead. But you put away. Yeah, you just put away the mic.
I don't normally hold it on my left hand because I gesticulate a lot. And
Yes.
like I don't mean like that's not a vulgar thing.
Yeah.
People thought in school, but like that's the reason why I was like holding my right hand. I was like, hey guys, this is why. This is what happened.
This is
You know what?
all terrible mic technique, dude.
You know what?
I have
you know
heard
what?
2
You
words
can
from her
just
to last
keep.
a second.
You
like
can
this.
gesticulate.
He's gonna hold this the
Yeah, I'm
entire
just
time.
gonna hold it.
This is great. This is gonna be a great show, guys.
Yeah. But how are you with
Yes.
money? Are you good?
I mean, on a very serious note, I quit medicine when I was 17 or what the heck, man? I was depressed, okay?
You quit medicine when you were
When I
17.
was 17. Like, I just
But that's 12th standard. How did you quit medicine by then?
because I did 12th standard. I'm November born, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So August admissions.
Oh.
So I entered and I realized that I wanted to quit
Yeah.
because it sucks.
Yeah.
And I started saving when I was 17. So I started
Oh.
investing and saving, basically. Not like I was earning anything. It's
Yeah,
just
but
like, hey,
pocket
mom,
money,
dad, pocket
pocket
money,
money.
pocket money, invest. And I'm like, this is a great
That's
financial
good.
plan, guys.
That's
I'm not
it.
even working over here.
But that's insane that you were getting pocket money and then reading stock news.
The market's actually down. I have
Yeah.
10 rupees.
And then getting depressed. Yeah, no wonder. dude.
Y'all are laughing, but I actually had approached Alchemy. And at that time, I had saved something like 50,000 rupees.
Oh,
fuck. What?
Which was a big fucking deal for me.
It's still
Thank you.
big.
Yeah.
250. It's still
really
50,000 is a
is.
big
It's huge,
amount to
yeah.
just save. It's 17. Yeah.
She actually laughed at me. She looked at me and she's like, this is not even entry level. Entry level is 25 lakhs.
Oh,
I
wow.
I have never made that kind of money to date, counting everything that I have made in the past, which is why I was this. I'm pretty decent with money though that way. That investing, lots of investing.
But you
Baba,
like
no.
spending also?
I like to spend my friends' money, my parents. You know, like when your parents offer you cash and stuff, like, no, you don't spend. Yeah, basically, yeah, I get it.
Yeah,
Privilege is
I
amazing.
spend his money all the time.
I didn't even know I was earning for more than myself. I didn't know that. It's him. Like another friend also, I've lent money. I was like, what the am I like it's a village. I'm earning for a whole village or what?
Every time I see a brand reel come out from Govind's profile, like yes,
आज social जाएंगे.
You know,
Aaj East 7th pizza, my best pizza in Bombay.
whenever like American celebrities, right, they just become big. One of the most common questions you get is, so how many calls from relatives, from friends have you got?
Yeah,
from America?
yeah,
And they're like, dude,
yeah,
I've cut those people out of my life.
Yeah.
He
Yeah,
started
so
a
they are chipped out.
podcast with
Started a whole podcast, but like
The
until
best part is it is about spending money, so I have to keep spending money. He has to keep funding it.
This is an entire podcast about him spending all your money on different things. And we're just like, okay, fine, let's just make it a podcast now.
That's it. It's just him, me spending my money, him spending my money, and Antrik spending your own money.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
what I
yeah.
follow
What
Antriksh,
I
man.
like,
Like,
yeah,
yeah. You just smile to the camera, man.
Yeah. So, I spend Zevan's money from now on.
I didn't know that. Oh, God.
Why do you think you're not reaching 25 lakhs? It's because
You don't
he
know
keeps
that.
spending your
He's
money.
stealing your money.
Yeah.
You haven't realized.
It's also because I'm in a long distance relationship, so those are expensive.
Oh.
Long distance
You
relationships
have
are
to keep
expensive.
traveling.
Yeah, and she, like, we both handle the brand together.
Yeah.
She's the reason, like, she's the one who's written my scripts and stuff, so it's like, it's our money that I'm
Correct,
spending.
correct.
It's still money. Long distance to Germany.
Oh, God.
Even economy tickets are not that cheap.
Dude, by long distance, I thought you meant like Bangalore,
Yeah.
not Germany.
Dude, long distance with the time zone difference is
And you get,
crazy.
visa every time you have to go meet her.
So, I mean, the first 2 times, yes, and then the third time, I was just like, hey guys, she's not feeling too well, so can I go meet her and stuff? I actually
This-
sent this.
What?
I got a 5-year visa.
Why?
So guys, if you're applying for Europe with a 5-year visa,
Yeah.
it's some and if some
Hey.
European person is watching
Yeah.
this,
I'm like, hey,
please let me.
I
into
I
your
don't think
country.
any
Yeah.
European person
Hey,
is
did you know
watching this.
Angela Merkel is unwell nowadays? I feel bad for Angela Merkel.
After 5 years, you're back being like, she's still unwell. Nothing changed.
Oh, man.
I don't know what to do. Can we please?
Guys, I think I
have
probably made it worse.
can I have a 10-year visa this time,
I don't
please?
think she's going to make it past these 10 years. It's like a 10-year visa. Oh, that got dark?
No.
I'm going my girlfriend dying here. It's fine.
Also, guys, I think she'll feel really better if you get a US visa.
At the Schengen office, you're like, can you just talk to your US friends? I need a US visa also along with this.
Right? Even like professionally, everyone's just asking you to get a US visa.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
Dude, Trump is selling it for $5 million to Indians.
Oh,
Yeah.
Easy, man.
Yeah, very affordable.
affordable
And-
price.
Like
Yeah.
3 reels.
Yeah. I mean, dude, I'd rather save up for that. I've gotten my US visa rejected twice, okay?
Yeah.
And I'd rather save up for one, dude.
You have to
Like,
save up for 2, brother. Why you keep forgetting?
what? For
2
2?
visas, na?
For him
What?
also, bro.
From you.
I mean, गांड मारा भाई, I have to go see my niece.
Get on a spousal visa that way. You
Say my best friend is really unwell. Can
Yeah,
you give
yeah,
me a visa?
And he's there. He's right beside us.
He's like acting extra sick. You're like, oh my god, has a thermometer in his mouth at the visa station.
Yeah, I'm applying again, by the way, for the US visa for the 3rd time. So let's see.
You should apply in different states on a very serious note.
Yeah. I've heard Chennai and all is what I've heard. Wow, everyone knows this trick.
Yeah.
Chennai, Kolkata. Let's not put this part in because I don't want other people to know about this.
Yeah,
really.
yeah, because then you go and you see
Yeah,
10
yeah,
of the
I'll be
people
like,
from Calcutta.
Hey, we saw this on that video, huh?
Then I'll go to Chennai and I'll be like, you're my neighbor. What are you doing here? What the fuck? Everyone from Mumbai is just going to Chennai to get their visa. But wait, what do you spend?
Yeah,
what do you like spending money
your
on?
on? In the mic.
I like spending money on toys.
Ooh,
I spend a
yeah,
lot on toys
nice.
because I think as a kid, it was always that, oh, if you don't do well in your exams, you won't get this. But I never did well in my exams.
Yeah.
I never got it.
Same.
I never ever got it. So when I finally got the money,
Yeah.
I was like, I want to invest. I don't
Yeah.
just buy toys. So yeah, I've invested. It's not just just toys either. investments for the future.
These are collectibles.
Collectibles, exactly.
Yeah, when you're an adult, all those things you had as a kid, those are collectibles.
Collectibles.
I like the
Wow.
thought that Bansha now, purposely does badly in random exams. So yeah, fuck you, dad. I can still get this shit.
Firstly, those are called auditions now, and how dare you?
He's still going and writing exams. They're like,
Yeah.
what are you doing? This is
Dude, I
8th
want to be able to
standard.
get my toys.
What is this guy doing in an 8th standard class?
Writing an exam.
You know what
I
I
have
used
to
to
fail. You don't understand?
You know what I used to do? So like, let's say I wanted a really nice remote control car, okay? But there's a second option also, which is like just a little less better than the one I want.
So you mean worse?
A little
Little
worse.
less
Yeah,
better.
He's being positive.
Yeah, yeah.
Very positive. I like it.
Yeah, a
A
little worse.
little less best. Than
Yeah.
Yeah.
The second best.
Yeah,
Second
yeah.
best,
Best
okay?
minus
And
one.
I'm content with second best. I'm okay with the second best because that's the one I originally wanted. But I would tell my parents I want the best one. So they're like, okay, if you get good marks, you get the best one. And then of course I wouldn't. I'm like, hey, what about the second best? I got close enough marks, just not enough. I
Great.
would need it, and that's how I was.
Yeah, that's genius,
You
dude.
got to trick your brain
Yeah.
sometimes, dude.
That's actually not bad.
Why not tell
Yeah.
your parents that the best one is the second best one?
They know, dude. They can
They
see
know?
the price.
Okay. Oh, like that.
The price is what
Price
determines
is
this.
it,
It's
Yeah,
never
yeah,
about
it's
quality.
never quality,
Sure,
of course.
sure, yeah.
With my parents, I think they kept telling me to get good marks and then they'll give me something. I never got, like, consistently for years didn't get good marks. Then they just gave me that, dude. Because they're like, this guy's getting worse. I don't know what to do.
Okay, just maintain, bro.
Yeah.
Just maintain, please maintain.
Yeah, they were just like, dude, just don't fail, man. Just, oh my God. Like,
That was a blackmailing your parents. Hey, you better buy me or I'll fail, okay?
I remember in second standard, my mom used to be like, my mom told me once he used to get better marks in first standard. That's a very early time to say that, by the way. I just realized. Yeah, that's so early to be telling your kid. But
You know, you're a scholar in first standard.
yeah. Dude, I'm not even kidding. Like, I'm not kidding. Like, the best marks I've gotten was when I was in junior and senior. I used to top
Wow, dude.
ABCD. That's when I topped. And then after that, when I had to put sentences together, failing completely. but when it was just ABCD, I was
I don't know what's
fucking
wrong, man.
flying.
He knew his ABCs. He was great. He was nailing them.
He's great at them individually.
Yeah, the funda he got really well.
But with each year, like fourth standard, fifth, I remember very clearly. Each year, my mom used to be like, "You were better last year," and then at sixth standard, I was like, "Dude, I'm getting worse with each year." Then I went from SSC to ICSE. I was like, "I'm getting."
And then he forgot his ABCs also.
So I'm gonna get fucked, dude. ICSE is gonna fuck me up. But wait, what do you want to show us what
Yes.
you spend money on?
Yes.
Oh my
Okay.
Is that a Harry Potter one?
Yeah,
It is
yeah.
a Harry Potter one. You know which Harry Potter one it is?
Lucius Malfoy? I don't
Anyway, I'll direct
No,
the
this
question to
now I'll actually.
Oh,
learn
okay,
here.
plan.
Yeah.
Okay, so the story behind this is my sister and I always have a like Harry Potter friend.
know. Oh, great.
I'm sorry, one second.
Oh.
I didn't expect you to do that.
Oh my god, that's awesome.
This, ladies and gentlemen,
Yes.
is the Elder Wand.
Oh my
my
god.
It is the wand that fucks Dumbledore up really badly,
Yeah.
and then it fucks Harry up, and then
Yeah.
it fucks Voldemort up,
Yeah.
because Voldemort doesn't know the exchange that's happening.
And now it's in Dadar.
It's in the Elder Wand
You just
with,
held. You,
with a very secret minority boy. I love that.
Oh
But-
my god,
Dude,
this
that
looks
is
so
beautiful.
Would you like to try it? It has a weight
Does
to
it
it.
actually work?
I've actually pointed it at my 98-year-old grandmother and I was like, Avada Kedavra! And then she was still alive and I'm like, okay, fine, sorry. No, sorry.
reverse.
Cancel.
But
Shaking her to undo.
Wake up, girl.
dude, this case is also so beautiful.
Oh, dude, the attention to detail.
I made it myself. No, I didn't. But
Dude, what's the company? The companies, they make a lot of these,
it's
right?
Harry Potter Studios.
Oh, Harry Potter Studios?
Yeah, I swear. I think
You
it's actually
thought,
Harry
what
Potter
did you
Official-
think this was like Als or something or what?
I thought it was like
Families.
some fan made something. So wow, this is actual.
God.
Wow, dude, this is official merch.
Yeah.
So, I mean, they
Fucking
call it
hell.
official merch. It's still made from the same plastic that the guy selling outside also does. The same plastic, but
But it was kept in AC.
it was kept in the AC with a bunch of white people selling it to you. So you're like, oh yeah, this is
Wait,
authentic.
you got it online or you got
Yeah.
it from
No, I
somewhere
went.
else?
I went to the Harry Potter studio and bought it. Yeah, so it was
Oh.
overpriced as well.
Hey, overpriced stuff. Overpriced
That's
stuff.
what this podcast is about.
Yes.
How much was this for?
This was, if I'm not mistaken, for 40 pounds.
Okay,
that's not
okay,
bad.
okay,
Actually, man,
4,000.
It's like a plastic
Yeah.
stick, guy.
Wait, that's 4,000, right?
yeah,
Yeah.
4,000 bucks.
Yeah,
For
yeah.
a plastic stick.
But for an official plastic stick.
Yeah, I love it.
Yes,
It's just,
yes.
That, it's just that when I was explaining this to my girlfriend and my parents, I was like,
Oh, no.
Oh!
it's a plastic stick. I love you. I love Harry Potter.
This is so good though.
Dude, this
Did you?
But you know, with the Elder Wand, you can't do basic spells anymore. You can't do Aloha Mora.
I think
the
you
opening
can't do
doors.
spells at
At
all in
all,
real
yeah.
life. In real
Again,
life.
But you have
As he said, it's a
we get
plastic
right.
stick.
That's true. But even Harry, you know, even when Harry had the Elder
Yeah.
Wand, you can't do like Expelliarmus. You have to do only death.
I've
ones.
realized
Oh, you don't
I've
know anything?
forgotten Harry Potter
Oh, wow.
completely.
I think-
I've read all books, I've seen all movies.
really?
All gone. all gone
I
completely.
got into Harry Potter for the first time during the lockdown, so it's still a little fresh in my head.
What?
Yeah. dude.
Why
I
the
was-
heck does he break it? I understand. He breaks the wand at the end of the movie.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
the,
yeah,
in
yeah.
the books as well. I'm sorry.
Yeah, he does.
spoiler.
Spoiler
Spoiler alert.
Spoiler? Who's Harry Potter?
He's the smart girl. In the,
Oh,
yeah.
okay. That guy, that girl, that.
The
No,
movie is
no,
actually
no,
called
no,
Hermione
no, no.
Granger is the movie's name. And the Deathly Hallows.
You know, he's a dad now.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Oh,
I
Harry
saw
Potter
some-
or Daniel Radcliffe?
No, Daniel Radcliffe.
Okay.
I saw some J.K. Rowling tweet and someone quote retweeted her. Of course, J.K. Rowling said
Yeah,
some
it
shit.
said something.
Yeah, and then
Yeah,
someone
yeah.
quote retweeted her being like, Daniel Radcliffe is a dad, Rupert Grint is a dad now, and you're doing this. And to be honest, she's also a mom. That doesn't really change anything. That has nothing to do with
She's like
anything.
competing. Can you be dad enough? I'm a single parent,
You're a
guys.
mom, you're not a dad. You
And
also
she's like, that's what I'm trying to say.
no,
Tough
no,
was,
no.
tough was.
No, we're not going. We're not going.
I
into,
think that's what she will say. I'm not saying it.
We're not. We're not.
Hey, you
going,
want a trend, guys?
We're not going into this. but, oh man, but that is so good. Did you get something
That's
else from
very
there?
cool. That's
No,
very
no.
cool.
No,
I'm
not
saying
yet.
from the
From the
get
store.
that.
Oh, that's why I got
Yeah.
really excited.
Yeah.
From here, we went and we had butterbeer over there as well. which
Oh,
was
how is it? What is it?
Is
What
it
does it
literally
taste
butter
like?
the
inside
best. It's makhan inside caramel.
Oh, wow.
That's literally what it is.
Oh,
so
it's
it's like
just
a really.
sugar,
It's
basically.
like
So
those,
much
those
sugar.
caramel sweets you used to get and suck on.
Yeah,
as
yeah,
kids.
yeah.
That's what it is. But
Oh.
in a liquid
Mug.
form.
Yeah.
That's
But
just.
is
And there's no daru. It's
Oh.
not. It's like.
Oh.
And that's like alcohol-free beer. It's like alcohol-free beer.
I thought it was actually beer,
No.
but
Yeah.
like some.
The kids,
Yeah,
they
no,
cannot
it's
have
That's a
alcohol.
good po- Arey, it said beer, so I was just like, okay,
Yeah,
beer.
But I feel like in the books, they did say that they're non-alcoholic. They mentioned this. in
They
the
do.
books.
They do.
They do.
But they do still get drunk in like later books and all.
I think
They're
that's
drinking- they're
placebo.
over-drinking.
They
They're
just.
made the sugar highs. They're sugar highs.
It's like a. It's
I mean, it's like when like when I had beer for the first time, the first beer I had, I was like, I'm so drunk, dude. That's what this is, dude.
That's
It's just
probably
you
right,
think it's happening to you.
Sure,
It's,
yeah.
I think that's what was happening to them. I don't remember
Yeah.
Harry Potter at all.
Or
I
Ron
don't
was
know.
faking it.
Or like there's a lot of philosopher's stone
Yeah,
going
yeah,
on
yeah.
over there.
But is it expensive to enter that place? Like the entry fee?
I think, I mean, with student discount, if you pretend to be a student, it's like 35 quid.
You pretended to
no,
be a
I didn't.
student.
Like, I had a
Okay.
beard at the time. So firstly, though, they were profiling me. They were just like, oh, bearded fellow. Like, be careful of him.
Yeah.
But no, I think it was around 35, 40 quid. Everything's really like 35, 40 quid. The
Yeah,
wand was for 40
yeah,
quid. The NT was for
Wow,
40
the
quid. They made a lot of quid from us.
the
So many
entry
quids.
and the wand being
The
the same
same-
price.
Yeah.
Man.
I liked it.
But it's a good place, I'm
It's actually
assuming.
a lot of fun because they have a lot of these parts of the studio where this was the studio where they actually shot the movie.
Wait, where is this? I
This
actually
is
don't
in.
know.
Do you all know? Do you all know what Zone 3 in London is? Like, London is divided into zones. Zone 1 is where all the touristy areas and
Yeah.
everyone goes and enjoys.
Yeah.
Zone 2 is the residential area, and Zone 3 is the area that's outside. Like, it's literally like an hour and a half by bus. Like, you take the night bus and you go there.
Oh,
you
that's
don't-
still London.
That's still London. darling.
1.5 hours. I've been like 1.5 hours
Out. No.
outside,
London is-
and that was Birmingham. That was another city. That's where I went. I didn't know that was still London. That's still London.
That's still London. But I'm not
Okay.
traffic as well, darling.
But it's outside, right?
It's
outside London.
it's right outside because it was a studio and a lot of the scenes were shot from the first 2-3 movies were shot in the studio. So it's pretty cool. So there are a lot of the set that is still available.
Oh, nice.
So I liked it.
And
I
are
liked
there
it.
those lookalikes?
No, there are no lookalikes.
like
unfortunately.
Indian,
So
like
a
in
fat
India.
guy just pretending to
Dude,
be
like in
Harry.
India, all those Anil Kapoor lookalikes and like Shah Rukh. I thought
They have their own award shows also, by the way.
Yeah.
You know
Oh,
that?
lookalikes?
Yeah.
Really?
It's very fun. I've seen a reel of that. Then all of them just come and then they go on stage one by one. They receive awards.
Oh, wow.
It's damn fun.
The
What?
best Anil Kapoor this year was like that. How do you do this, dude? How do you decide?
But there's no lookalikes walking
No,
around.
no,
like-
no, not at all. It was just more about these white people coming and telling you, oh, this is where we did this is where we did that. And then my sister got to open the hall door into the main.
No
the-
way.
Yeah, the great hall. And for her, it was this huge, amazing
boy.
like moment. And I was so excited for her.
Yeah.
She like, don't forget to record it. So I did record it. After she opened the door, till then I was like, "Yay, go Delra, it's amazing, amazing." Then she's like, "Can I see the video? You fucking bastard! I can't see myself opening the door."
And then you should have recorded someone else opening the door after that. Like, no, we'll put your face here. I don't know what to do.
We'll fix it in post. Don't
Can you record me putting on the sorting hat and then he records it when he's already been announced in Slytherin house. That's an awesome watch also, man, Banja.
Oh, thank you so much.
What is
this? This is. Oh, thank you for distracting me.
No.
But this is a. I don't know the model, but this is a Tissot that my father bought me when I topped my
Whoa.
BMM exams.
Whoa.
Now once again, topping
BMM.
BMM. If anyone who's done it,
I've done BMM.
so you know.
Yeah, I know.
Topping
I know.
BMM means nothing.
It
Oh.
means
when
nothing.
you're a medical student, because for me BMM was like you are studying one chapter of medicine. So people who failed BMM, shame on you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah, I know.
No,
I didn't
no,
fail.
no,
I didn't fail.
I'm
BMM.
sorry.
I
I
was
heard earlier you were
fine.
saying that you are doing badly and all.
No,
every
but
year.
BMM was very
Yeah,
easy.
BMM was great. No,
Yeah,
no,
BMM was
easy.
easy.
Also, I still feel bad for your father still didn't buy you a toy after you topped your
Yo,
exam.
he did
He
want to
bought
buy
you
me
a watch.
toys, man. I was like,
Dude.
now I'm old enough for a flashlight also. But he was like, no toys for you. So I'm like, okay, dad.
Toys.
For a
Flashlight.
flashlight.
I've always wanted one because I'm in a long distance,
And
right?
Oh.
An innie pussy or an outie pussy.
Q seventh theme. That's not even the seventh theme, is it?
Man, this episode so off the rails.
So
It's great. I love it. Okay.
Get you my second favorite thing. I just hope I don't break it.
You want help? You need help?
Whoa, yes! We got an anime nerd in the house!
Yeah! To
Fuck
those
yeah,
who don't know
awesome.
who this is Tanjiro
Yes.
from Kimetsu no Yaiba
Yes, yes.
or Demon Slayer. Just like flex from there.
Dude, I know because of you, I guess. Yeah.
I've shown him the fight scene so many times.
Why is this iconic? Why is this iconic? Because it's the first time you find out that even though he fights in the water style,
Yes.
he suddenly erupts. This is the first time he erupts those flames.
Yes.
And this is the move where he realizes that he's actually a sun dancer.
Hashira.
Yeah, he's a flame Hashira, you're right. But he's actually a sun Hashira, no?
Yeah, sun
Not a flame
Hashira.
Hashira.
Yeah.
Flame Hashira
Yeah,
was the one who
Yes.
died.
Yes, of course. Of course.
Yeah, and his sister is a daughter, Ashira.
And his dad is a grandfather, Rashida. Can I see this? Really? Dude, this is actually. I have no context to this, but this looks so good.
Yeah.
That
I actually really loved the flames.
Yeah,
I loved
yeah,
the-
exactly,
the-
exactly.
The modeling of the flames was fantastic. It's actually a very cool.
Even the week.
Like-
Yes, great.
Zenitsu!
And he got fifth gear. He got fifth gear.
Oh, he got. Dude, this is a spoiler, yeah.
Yeah. I mean,
Oh.
but, ठीक है.
Oh, you haven't reached there? Oh, okay. Follow that.
Yeah.
What? What do you mean,
No,
dude?
no,
Oh
no,
no!
this.
Oh shit!
yeah.
Sorry.
Wrong spoiler.
Fuck. So I ordered this and I really wanted it as soon as it came and I wanted to find a place to keep it. The issue is, it just keeps looking down.
So you can keep like a little bit of a counter.
yeah. But I can,
Mike,
Dude, I think you need his rubber penis to hold him upright, but it broke. That's basically the angle, right?
he is the most asexual character in
Yeah,
One
that's-
Piece.
That's absolutely right.
Literally represents
Yeah.
asexuality in
Yeah.
a very
Boa
real sense.
Hancock, the
Yeah, Boa
hottest.
Hancock, the
Dude,
hottest.
it's
Yes.
so progressive, that show. It's
really is.
unreal.
It really is.
Yeah.
The world
One of my
building is
favorite
amazing.
characters
Yeah.
is Bon Clay.
Of
Yes,
course.
of
And the
course.
way they
Excellent.
celebrate
Of
a
course.
trans character
Yes.
Dude, it's
Yes.
so beautifully.
Oh
man.
wait,
Without
they have
even
trans
an
characters
They have
also.
all
Wow,
types
this-
of
Also,
characters. Govind.
This was back in
Govind, that show
2010.
and this show are different shows.
2010. This is because it was
No, that I got.
Okay,
That I got.
So because it was just trending and great for your brand to talk about it, he spoke about it in a very real sense because it's a very because
Yeah,
what?
okay.
Because it's a very important part of Japanese culture, much like our culture as well. Which is why we can relate to anime so
So
much.
much, yeah.
I was thinking of getting my stock portfolio also today and say I spent very badly over here, this guy. But I thought it'd be too technical.
But by the way, I think I don't know anything about anime,
Yeah,
but they
yeah.
have very good merch. They look.
They have
all
the
of these
best
crazy
merch.
merch.
Yeah, they
Dude,
look.
I want to go to Japan just for the merch.
They look very good, dude.
This is
like,
beautiful. Yes.
This is obviously a tad bit expensive.
I'm sure.
Yeah.
Because it's a how do you pronounce? It's action continuous. It's action continuous. How to
Yeah.
explain? I mean, like he's in the action.
Yeah, yeah,
yeah,
yeah. Like
yeah.
he's just
My
about
my
to do his
ICSE
final
education
move.
is apparently failing me right now.
Even Ho Chang's Luffy is peeing actually.
Yeah,
he's coming down. Yeah.
I love that.
So there's a thunder lightning thing also there, which is inside. I couldn't find it, but there's a thunder lightning which he
Okay.
holds when he's coming down
it, yeah,
to
yeah.
kill. What's his
so
name?
those are more expensive than.
always.
Yeah,
Because
yeah,
it's-
yeah.
How much was it?
This must have been around 8 to 10 grand.
8 to 10 grand.
Yeah, easy. There's one.
I don't wanna. This is so expensive. I
It's
don't know.
very old, but
Do you have like a collection of these? Is this your first in your
No,
collection?
I have a lot. I have like a lot of them in my house.
Can you send us a picture of that?
Oh, 100%. Yeah, then 100%.
yeah,
Like,
yeah,
what's
yeah.
the most expensive of your pieces? Is this among them?
No, there was another one which it's a huge dark magician that have you ever played Yu-Gi-Oh? Any of your?
No. I know about it.
So it's
but
like
I've
one of
not
the card
played
game,
it.
like dual.
game.
It was like
Yeah.
dual masters, but more
Oh,
intelligent.
yeah, yeah.
More
Oh, okay.
intelligent. But I don't know why I said it. As
Yeah,
if,
yeah.
Like you played
I
dual
was like,
masters.
hey, Duel Masters, yes. No, it's
Stop
not that.
defending Duel Masters. bro.
I love Duel Masters
Oh,
as
yeah.
well. It was very like the script was very breaking the fourth wall. It's like in the next episode I'm going to beat you and stuff like that. But anyway, there's this dark magician character, so it's like I think it's like a 1.5 foot like proper statue of it. I think that's the most expensive one.
Sorry, how long?
How much?
1.5 foot.
One
Like,
and a half foot
yeah,
tall?
1.5 foot is like pretty
Oh, that's
like
a
it's,
proper,
pretty proper one.
Shit. How much was that for?
My friends bought that for me, so luckily I have no idea how much
Hey,
that
Gautam,
was
I'm gonna
for.
send you a link
But
tonight.
I'm sure you know. I'm sure
I
you've
think
searched
it
for
was
it.
around 15.
Wow.
Yeah,
But actually, if it's that tall, 15 is not
Yeah,
bad.
not bad at all,
Because
not
this
bad.
is like 8-10 grand, and that's for
Really?
this, yeah, this thing.
Because
is
it's-
not this.
This
but
one I was like, hey man,
No,
I'll
no,
get you a better
this
deal.
Oh,
next
you
time.
meant
yeah.
You meant his.
Yeah,
Okay,
his.
okay.
What do you say?
There's a store near your place which sells fake anime merch, but like really good stuff.
Where? In Kandivali?
Some happy place it's called.
I don't
It's
know.
some
In Kandivali?
Kandivali Boulevard area, or maybe it's Ghatkopar, and I'm just being like
I think it's such a
regionist.
different
I'm just
place.
being
I
regionist
think
right
it's
now.
Ghatkopar
It's
because
Ghatkopar.
Anas put up a story once where he was shopping.
Yes,
from the shop.
Anas, but
Yes.
Hey, Anas.
That is such a different place, by the way. It'll take me 1 hour to reach Ghatkopar from Kandivali. It's closer to his
Yeah,
place
20 minutes
in
from my
Powai.
place.
I just associated Gujarati area.
No,
And I
that's
was
fair,
like,
that's fair.
Same cow gully.
That's fair,
same.
that's fair.
Lots of mayo, lots of mayo.
Yeah, it's all the same. Ranchi, Jaipur.
One is like a blue city and one is
But
like
the pink city, yeah.
Jaipur,
pink.
Ranchi, all of them are the same.
How much would you guys rate Bansha's?
I mean,
Oh.
dude, he would rate it 10,
15 out of 10,
out
dude.
of 10 for sure.
Yeah, 100%.
For sure. I don't watch anime, but that's like, I've seen like
5 points for
merch.
Black Myth talk.
Have you
Yeah.
ever watched anime before? Have you watched? Never.
Never.
Hey, as a writer, you should. I'm genuinely saying, like
Nah,
any
no, I
writer,
should.
just
Told
write.
him so many times.
Character-
just
character
these
arcs.
I know,
character arcs, world building. You learn so much.
I've seen
But
the
given
basic
easy
ones.
are like erased and not tell me 12 episodes.
I know,
wala.
I know, I know.
watch-
There's one because there's him. I have another
Don't
friend
say Death
also.
Note. Don't give him Death Note first.
No, not Death
No,
Note.
I-
Not
I-
Death Note.
I always
I
say-
want is the Full Metal Alchemist.
Brotherhood.
Yes.
Exactly.
It is the best.
The
Yes,
best.
to get into,
complete
yeah.
story.
It is the
52
only
episodes and that's
One
it.
of the best female mangaka.
Yes.
One of the best female mangakas of all time.
Oh, really?
Really
very good.
brilliant.
I
very good.
realize you watch anime. Another friend of mine watches anime. You owe me money. That friend, that friend also owes me money.
Do I owe you
Anyone
money?
who- No, I guess
know,
not. Hey, come
I
on.
should- I should take money from you, man.
Take money.
Bye,
Take
take
money.
money.
guys. Take money, guys.
You love this then.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely. The Mugiwara.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
how nice.
How much did you
Mugiwara.
get that for?
This, I think, for 5K, 6K.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's
Fair.
not bad.
Not bad at all.
That's cheaper
Yeah, that's
than
my product for the day.
And it's permanent, so yes.
That's your product for every episode.
Yeah.
now.
I have 6. I'll get one
Guys,
tattoo
again,
every
I still got
episode.
It's still there. It's been 20 episodes.
I must tell you though. So the first time I went to get a tattoo, I was very scared. Okay, because I never gotten one. I thought it will hurt a lot.
And also, I also had never gotten
Yes.
one, but I've been wanting one. I had been wanting one for years and years. Okay,
Yeah.
no, before that,
Yeah.
like when he got his
So
first
I
one.
asked him if he wanted to come with me, and he agreed because he also wanted to get one, but he was confused what to get.
Like the reason I couldn't get a tattoo for the longest time is because I was like, I don't know what's so important to me
Yeah.
that I can get a tattoo of it. So then he asked me, and I was like, you know what? Let's just get a random tattoo, get it out of the way so that I'm not scared of tattoos
Fair,
anymore.
yeah.
I think I went too far. But
So I suggested. He was like, I always wanted to make fun of those Chinese tattoos. Or
you know how white
text.
people get Chinese tattoos?
like feed me
with-
milk and
Yeah.
So I told him to get the word Mandarin written in Japanese.
No, it's ulta.
Oh,
It's
sorry, the word Japanese written in Mandarin. Yeah.
Yeah. That's this tattoo.
funny.
It's the word Japanese in
That's
Mandarin.
actually a brilliant joke.
I can just tell them it's something else. I can tell them it means peace. But
You'd be really funny in China. Like they'd be laughing their ass off, being like, no.
but you know what?
Go to
Someone
jail.
told me, someone who watches anime
Yeah,
and knows
yeah.
Mandarin, I guess.
No, anime is in Japanese.
No, but also knows Mandarin. He also
Okay.
kept talking about anime. That's why I
Yeah.
don't know. I associated that with it.
Yeah.
But he told me this doesn't mean the language Japanese.
Oh.
These are the people
Oh,
Japanese.
he's like Indians, not like Hindi. Oh, great.
That is way worse.
Yeah,
This is just the people. The Japanese people. For what? What does it
Yeah.
even mean?
It's like you're addressing them, dear Japanese
Yeah.
brethren.
This tattoo just got funnier. I did not know
I
that
know.
was
Geolocation
Yeah.
about where you are from. Nice.
Oh man.
Crazy, dude.
Oh fuck. Do you have another product or is that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Firstly, I stole my sister's bag. She doesn't know I'm using her Ted Baker bag. That has
yeah.
So she's just bought it.
So
And
curious
you
to see
look
what
at-
comes out of it now.
There's a reason why.
Oh my
So I'll
god.
explain you all first. I'll get out the big guns.
yes.
So these are the small guns.
Yeah,
These are the small
understand.
guns.
I know about them, but I don't know
Okay.
the like the
So-
cultural impact and importance.
Dude, I used to collect
Yeah.
so
Same.
many.
I used to collect Tazos, which used to come like Uncle Chip.
No,
Same.
no, cards,
I
cards,
collected
proper
everything.
cards.
Oh,
I used to trade them. I
Yeah.
used to do
I've done-
every fucking
I used to have
thing.
like the
massive
cool brother I
collection
never
also.
had.
You still have your collection though, by the way, Govind. My
gone,
mom gave
dude.
mine away.
Yeah, same.
What the hell?
Same.
Without
Literally
even
every
telling
story.
me.
Same.
I just didn't use them for like a few months because I got over them.
Yeah,
And she
same.
just gave them away.
I got a little like I grew up and I was like,
Yeah.
I need to be cool in school. I can't. And then she threw it
Yeah.
away, and then I grew up more, and I was
Yeah,
like,
like,
no,
that
now
was
I
the
got
good
it again.
And now I need the money.
Dude, that's
Oh
an awesome.
my
Do you have like super rare
God.
cards?
I have. So the super rares
Yeah,
will
you
come
have
out
the-
later.
Oh wow.
These are also super rares, but I haven't
they're all
rated
rated?
them. No. So these are not rated. These are unrated. These are ones that I pulled. So I
Okay.
thought that I'll
Ooh.
do Pokemon pulls
Yes.
and I'll make videos about it. And I
Yeah.
made 2, and I was like, never again. Bro, like, I don't want to do this. I hate.
There are these
shit.
creators on Instagram now who basically their basic thing is they buy and sell Pokemon cards.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
I know.
really.
That's all
It's
they
a
do.
whole
That's their
business.
creation.
Yeah, yeah.
This entire video is for them. Hi guys. Now I'll get out.
Are you gonna sell
Dude,
Eventually, some of them, but I'm
when
also
you're
like
70?
when I'm like, when I like have when I need
Wow,
to get
you
clout,
bought
when I need to get clout again because I'm
Yeah.
irrelevant. I'll
You
start
bought
selling
covers
them.
for every single card, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is.
You have to
That's
keep them
amazing.
safe, bro.
Now these I have purchased off eBay. Like I have gone.
Oh
yeah,
my
yeah. So
God,
these are
they're
all
so
rated.
Well
Dude,
protected,
this
by the
is
way.
These are like all
Crazy
gem
shit.
mint.
From eBay,
10.
so you have to pay customs duty for these?
No, they might
That's
be here
insane.
only. I
Yes.
guess. Oh yeah, you had to
No,
pay custom.
eBay, there's no eBay in India.
He's right.
There's no eBay here.
Yeah.
He's right.
Yeah,
Shit,
dude.
how much did you get these for?
So each of them, I sniped. If you understand how to,
each of them?
I've sniped. So do you know what sniping is on eBay?
No.
It's
No.
basically you wait till the last minute of the bid. And many a times people will bid low and they'll wait for no one else to bid because it's a very obscure card. So I've gone and I've sniped those bids like literally 30 seconds before the bid ends. And I get these
Wow.
cards at a mad steal.
By how much do you?
How much?
By a margin of at least $200.
That's quite a lot.
Yeah.
For?
I make for
For outbidding the last bid. is
yeah,
what you're saying.
I'd basically what happens, I buy cars that I know that are super rares that would eventually appreciate in price.
Yeah, exactly.
I bought one which I know
Yes.
might become one of the rarest.
You
this
saw
one,
it here first.
So this is one. This one recently came out. It's on the. It's like the 151, the new one. It's a 10. It's a Mew, and these are mostly art rares. What are art rares? Art rares are literally the instead of just the Pokemon, you have the entire card having this kind of almost that Mario Miranda
Yeah.
kind of
The texture.
No, not texture. You
Can
can
we
like-
take a photo of
Oh.
this
Yeah,
and
please.
put it up?
Yeah, yeah,
in the-
100%.
Yeah, okay, we'll
I
do
think
that.
there are now websites. Tell me if I'm wrong.
Yeah.
Other websites now where you can tell the rates.
Yes,
of going
yes,
Yeah,
very much. So
there are,
that's
there
when
are.
that's so I'm on that website before I snipe.
Wow.
It's just that's the
So like how there are
Man.
Oh my
there's
God, this is
StockX
a
for shoes.
beautiful
I'm sure
card.
there's one for Pokemon
And the
cards
Yeah, yeah,
also.
correct,
one
exactly.
that I am very proud of is the.
This
See, I think
is
you have
so
Charizard.
cute. Yeah.
Yours, Charizard?
No, this is
The Charizard. Yeah, the Charizard's here. The
Ah,
Charizard's here.
So this may be
What a-
one of the most like
Yes, I heard
pricey
about
cards
it.
eventually because it's like a glass panel Charizard, and it's like a PSA 10, and it came from which one is this? This I think was from the Infinity deck or something. I'm not too sure.
You pulled this or you bought this?
I bought. See, all of these that have been unfortunately, the rating system is also not cheap for us
Ah.
because we have to send it to the US,
US
and
and
get it
get
back.
back.
So
Yeah.
I would rather spend just that little more
Already rated one.
and buy it because this is
Fair.
pure investment.
Hmm.
This was me also fulfilling childhood fantasies.
Of
and
course, of
pure
course.
investment. But then
My
those bastards went and re-released these decks.
No way!
Oh.
So the price dropped by half.
Oh, no!
Yeah. So I have to wait for I have to wait for another 10 years.
You
I'm
have
not
to
even-
burn the
Yeah.
others.
I
That's
have to
what.
physically go to everyone's house and burn the others.
Yeah.
Can you explain a few things like do cards cost more if they're in Japanese, the original language, or
So very interesting, very nice. Good question, Antariksh.
Well done,
Well
Antariksh.
done, yeah, Antariksh.
It's a battle of the nodes in this
So,
episode.
for funnily, Japanese cards, a friend Dara, like Dara Powry, call out to you, bro. He taught me that Japanese cards better quality. So if you see, the Japanese cards behind are different in design over here with the Pokeball
Ah.
than
Yeah.
the
Oh,
English.
yeah.
Than the English card.
Yeah, there you
you
go.
can
Oh,
see
yeah,
the
you're right.
difference over here.
absolutely?
Oh.
The American quality is terrible. It's one of the
Okay.
worst. Japanese quality, ink is better, everything is better, which is why they're slightly more expensive as well. But because
Can I
English is the most spoken language in the world, the English cards have more value to them. Even though the Japanese. So what the idea is that maybe say in the next 20, 30 years when people understand true quality, the Japanese cards might jump over the English cards by 3 times the price.
Yes,
That's the
yes. And
that's
it is
when the hype
absolutely
builds.
gonna happen.
But that's only when America builds up the hype.
Yeah.
But
you-
that's,
Yeah.
that's
America
best
will-
case scenario.
Did
right?
you
Yeah.
put the casing or
Those casings, like these cases where you'll see a sleeve inside
Yeah.
and you'll see this. These cases I have bought. Like I've bought these. They've
Yeah.
already
So
been
those are the
cased.
cards you pulled and you bought the
Okay,
casing.
okay,
But then
okay.
these
These
are
are
the
the cards
ones
that I
you
said I
see.
sniped. I like the
Okay,
word
so now
snipe
let's
as
And lastly,
let's
then,
ask.
No, last-
we have to ask.
bro, wait, lastly,
Yeah.
lastly, what is this top thing?
So this basically legitimizes the worth of your card. Like for instance, over here it's the 2023 Pokemon SV38 Japanese Groudon Art Rare. So each word has each word adds to the rarities as best as I can explain because you will also have reverse hollows where the basically the shiny looks ulta. The shine is ulta, like instead of the colors will ulta pop. That's a reverse hollow. That's
understood,
what. Then
understood.
you'll have different textured cards. You will have a Master Ball card as well in this particular kinds of decks and all.
Wow, dude.
So
you don't need to cry, man. It's okay, man.
I got it.
It's okay.
it's more about me understanding the kind
You
of money
did it.
that I have spent.
You did it.
No, I did. I did spend a lot of money.
How much do you think you've spent
Yeah, I
in
wanted to know
total?
which is the most expensive one
Yeah,
and
which
how
is
much
the
have you spent
Yeah.
in total? You
The
think
most
till
expensive
now?
one was the Charizard.
Of course.
Okay.
How much do you think is worth now? Also,
I think the Charizard is right now worth 300 to 400, maybe more dollars as of now, and
Okay.
it's increasing. It's going to appreciate. I think I bought it for 300 or 400 dollars.
so it's the
Oh
same.
yeah.
So it's the
It's
same.
the same.
It's the same.
That's because they re-released it. It's-
Yeah,
You couldn't have anticipated that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
And how much do you think you've spent in total, like for all of them together?
I bought
Like just an
over
estimation. That's fine.
5 to 6, 7 decks of those cards, which individually from Japan, including customs. I've spent a government worker's salary on this.
How much do you think? Like just a range is fine. Like okay, put the range like thoda lamba. like, so that
1 or
you're-
2 lakhs over a span of so many years.
But over a span of years,
That's
it's
okay.
fine.
2
Yeah,
lakhs.
That's good.
2 lakhs
2
over the
lakhs
span of a
on
few-
cards.
Which
Okay,
will
now that you
appreciate
which
it.
value.
appreciate. They may.
They will.
I love you.
They
So-
will appreciate.
When you buy a pack, what are the odds of having a rare card in that pack? Like, is it like every pack will have
No,
one?
no, no, no.
No, 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 no.
There
you
are
could have been
certain
fucked over.
packs that guarantee that, but they are more expensive.
Expensive.
Oh my god.
Like
some
for
of
me,
the-
if there's anyone who is a fan of theirs or mine who really loves us, please send sealed Neo Genesis packs to us, 1999 edition, preferably Japanese. I don't mind English as well, but please.
Hindi
Neo
also works.
Hindi also. I wouldn't mind a Lugia if you all want to give me or a Pikachu.
This is awesome. What a rare episode of a podcast where we can talk about Pokemon cards.
Yeah,
Dude,
yeah,
like I remember my
Damn
first Pokemon card was Bulbasaur.
Oh,
Then-
Ivysaur.
Oh,
Oh,
shit.
nice actually.
Oh,
Very
wow.
first cool ever was an Ivysaur. It's
First
I don't
ever,
know.
my mom
Wow.
had just bought me because I used to keep watching
Yeah.
and she kept it. Then I started stealing Pokemon.
Yes, I've done that too, dude.
Yeah, I've done that too.
Because,
I've done that too.
Dude, the only way I could have a collection was if I could. I didn't have money.
Yeah,
I couldn't.
yeah.
And how much can I ask my parents? Ki, no, I have to build a collection. They'd be like, fuck
Yeah,
off.
yeah.
Just keep that Bulbasaur. And sit
Dude,
there.
and when we were kids, there was no color. Like, it wasn't appreciating over.
Exactly.
No, not at all.
It was-
Good appreciation.
We were just appreciating the cards. That's all we were doing. Great card.
We just collected them. I don't think I ever played Pokemon.
Never.
No,
I also never
I
played.
still don't kind of know the TCG game. You know that
Exactly.
Pokemon
Yeah,
TCG?
yeah.
No, not really.
I used to steal this. I used to steal what else?
Tazos.
Tazos.
Tazos,
No, I used to
yeah.
buy.
Oh.
Please.
Oh,
No, the
steal.
वो
Cheetos.
10 रुपए का
The
स्टील
Cheetos.
नहीं करने चाहिए भाई.
Yeah.
That's
Dude,
those-
Sometimes you want a rare one which you can't not just
Also, by the way,
getting
all
some-
the Indian cards were fake.
Yes,
Oh,
yes,
for
100%,
sure.
100%.
All
For
of them are
sure.
fake.
All of
For
them
sure.
are fake.
All of them are fake. Because I'm now going to show you something really cool.
Oh, then I don't feel
You
bad
see
anymore.
this right at the bottom of the card
Yeah.
with the writing.
Yeah.
This was never there on our Indian
Yeah,
cards.
it was-
They never had this writing. And I went back and I saw
Especially-
my rare cards and nothing was there.
Especially
day
in
you don't get
Japanese, nothing was written in Japanese.
No.
Okay, so we did in India get Pokemon the animated series in Hindi.
Hindi,
also.
Yes,
Yeah.
correct.
Are there
On
Hindi cards?
Konami.
Are there Hindi cards that exist?
They were no. They
I used
did
to watch
not.
it in English.
Yeah, but when Cartoon Network went Hindi, even Pokemon.
Don't
Oh,
know when you
yeah.
were forced to listen to
सबसे
everything.
अच्छा
That's true, that's
बनूंगा
true.
ना मैं
Yeah,
जैसा
that's
कोई
true.
और न था उन्हें पकड़ना मेरा काम है यार.
Yeah, that's it, that's it.
Yeah, I forgot the rest
That was
of it.
wrong also.
It was wrong.
काम है यार तो नहीं बोलता हूँ.
Come on, yaar.
Okay, man.
Man, these.
This
oh
is
my
very
God.
cool.
I've never seen such an
I
extensive
wanna get into
collection.
that.
I have got random people over to my house, like my
Yeah.
parents, friends, and all. I've asked them, "Am I interested in Pokemon cards?" And they're like, "How the fuck are you 31 still talking about
Yes,
this?"
yes.
But yeah, this is how I bond
Are you
with people.
interested in
Yeah,
Pokemon?
I swear this is how I bond with people. Like every person, every comedian that I've ever spoken to also is literally, I'm like, guys, do you all like Pokemon cards? Like check out my Pokemon card collection. It's like,
feel like
That's
a
a
kid
that's
again.
A
Yes.
big flex, dude. That's a
Did you
very
like
big
when Govind
flex.
contacted you to be on the show? Were you sure कि immediately कि ये तो लेके
Yeah,
जाना ही है?
I
this is the
asked
first
him.
thing. First thing I
Yeah,
did.
I asked
Fucking
him,
awesome.
ki, okay, if you have
Amazing.
any products you want to show off, sure.
Yeah.
And he was like, yeah, okay, done. I have. I was like, okay, that was very quick. You
Amazing.
know,
I can justify
Yeah.
I can show off my card. I have been wanting to literally have an entire podcast talking about this, so I'm
Yeah.
so grateful, guys.
man,
Dude,
this is
fucking awesome.
amazing. We'll
Yeah.
take some photos so that
Yeah.
like
And
you
we'll
guys
take some
can
cards
see it.
also from you. So they appreciate
You're
it.
getting-
Oh,
Okay.
will take?
Yes,
It's
yes.
in my pocket. Will? क्या होता है?
So much
The
money.
appreciating ones. I'll tell you when they appreciate.
appreciate.
You post it on the appreciation.
Imagine putting up appreciation carousel post.
In 2 days, you'll see my story selling this card.
Okay, then final question.
Yeah.
How much do you think your entire collection is worth now?
अरे बोला ना.
बोला ना
बोला?
एक दो हाँ.
I
अब
said
फाइनल
One
बोलने
to-
से वो
one to-
बदलने जाता है.
नहीं,
उसका.
नहीं, 1 2 तो is how much you spent on it, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, how much
it's
is worth?
Yeah, worth.
It
Yeah,
could
yeah.
easily be 4 to 5.
Oh, really?
Hey.
Then-
If I were to
Amazing.
sell smartly,
Yeah.
I have to. You also have to find trends. So, for instance, there are literally Pokemon days. So there's like a Pikachu day
Yeah,
in
yeah,
the
yeah.
world.
Yeah.
Then there are like the first time Charizard was designed or invented. So with all, you have to choose your trends. When the Pokemon movie was out, suddenly all the cards price doubled because it was went
There
into
was a hype
circulation.
around
It was a
it.
hype around it.
And
So-
then when it did okay, it went back down.
hey, it's damn well okay. I love that movie.
Detective Pikachu.
Yeah,
I loved it.
Detective
Okay.
It's good. It's actually a good movie. by
Even
the
though
way.
It's a
Ryan-
good
Yes.
movie. I
Yeah,
like
because
it.
Ryan Reynolds played Ryan Reynolds as
Exactly.
Pikachu,
Like-
like he always does.
Like any other. I never thought Pikachu would be Ryan
Ryan
Reynolds.
Reynolds.
Like that's not what I had in my head.
Deadpool, Pikachu,
Yeah,
okay.
all the same. I didn't keep any card. I was seeing if I actually galti se.
I actually checked twice to see.
No. No. That's very fair. It's like a lighter, you know. Sometimes I just keep
I mean,
other
Govind
people's
did
lighter.
say he did say he stole Pokemon.
Yeah.
cards,
No. A lot of times I tell people, "Ki, I didn't take your lighter, but it's in my pocket." So I don't know, dude. I might.
The cute kleptomaniac.
Yeah. That's why I told you, ki check, let me also check. I don't want to be that guy. Man, after all this, my product is so shit.
Now I really want to see it.
I really want to see that.
so shit.
I'm glad I don't have one today because I can't match up. Yeah.
No,
Please
this
keep
is
carefully.
You got, man.
Yes,
You got a
this is
tattoo,
Carefully.
bro.
You can just
Yeah,
keep it on the
yeah,
floor
yeah,
like
man.
that.
True.
like this is just what like I
Did
just
you eventually
realized.
get a tattoo from that story? You never got a tattoo
Yeah,
from
you
that story.
got it now.
This is the tattoo
Oh
I
yeah,
got.
sorry, he showed it
And
to me also.
and on top of that, the tattoo artist, she posted his tattoo on her Instagram. She did not take a photo. She did not take a photo of
She
mine.
did take
Yeah.
a picture, but she never.
No, I
posted it.
could
Yeah.
see that was out of like
even
because I
though-
was just like, "Arey, my photo also," and she's like, "Yeah, dude, fuck." I'm pretty sure immediately she just deleted it.
Even though it would have been more beneficial for her to share
No,
yours.
no, it makes sense,
No,
dude.
she didn't get it. She was so confused throughout.
See,
wow.
and also it makes sense. She's an artist. She
Yeah.
like makes
Sure.
art.
Yeah,
And then I'm like, can you write Japanese in Mandarin? She's like, dude, what will I show my followers? Ki I wrote Japanese in Mandarin. How is this beneficial for her at
should
all?
write-
Wait, now to my product. This is so underwhelming. I'm glad we talked about other stuff before that. No, I just realized I waste money on this, dude. Like,
Good night.
I was going to get the electric racket.
man, this is so useless.
No, this
Good.
works.
Great, dude,
It
yeah.
does
I'm
not.
sorry.
It does.
It does not.
It's my entire life.
I believe
wait,
it does.
One
The
at, one
Mortein
at a
coil
time.
is-
One at a
Yeah,
time. It's
yeah.
okay.
Firstly, his
No,
product.
but thank you for supporting me because this does not work.
Okay.
I've tried it. I sit beside it. I make sure it's right next to
dude.
me. It only one second.
Okay, sorry.
Let me vent.
Yeah, sorry.
It only smells. And then the mosquitoes are still there. And I'm like, dude, now I am the only one suffering here. The mosquitoes are not even suffering.
Mosquitoes also judging you. Why are you sweating in
Yeah.
smell, dude? It's so stinky.
Dude, it's such a fuck all. And dude, every time I just keep buying these thinking, okay, maybe if I put 2 in my living room, that, and you know, it has 2 modes, normal mode
Yeah.
and flash
Yeah,
mode. I
yeah.
don't know what flash does.
The mosquito comes in.
Epileptic mosquitoes, like, you'll suddenly find them over there.
There's a warning when I put this for epileptic.
A bunch of mosquitoes come
consult a
together. Yeah. Bunch of mosquitoes come together, start dancing suddenly. Like a flash mob.
It's a bob flash.
Look at like this is. I think I've bought like 4 or 5 of the whole things
Yeah.
and like these what do you call this?
All out, the liquid thing.
Yeah.
The liquid thing also. Wow,
Yeah.
I just blanked
I
out.
mean, I don't know
But
what's
yeah,
called.
the liquid thing also, and none of them have
Dude,
worked.
you're not gonna believe I literally yesterday ordered a smart plug because I keep forgetting to turn it off. So I keep losing all the liquid.
Oh, that too
It's all
sometimes.
the
But
time.
you need
Yeah.
to keep it on all the time, bro.
Huh?
You
Yes,
have to
no,
keep it
no,
on
but
all the
During
time.
the
sometimes-
day you don't need to.
Yeah,
na.
like at
most
night I
things.
keep it on, then I go to
Yeah,
sleep.
and then you
You already live in
forget.
construction areas, do you all?
No, but then the next day morning I wake up after keeping it on the
Yeah.
whole night, and I wake up, I'm like, oh, headache immediately,
Oh,
dude. This
I think
fucking
just change
smell.
just get a different one,
Dude,
dude.
I really feel like the coil thing was the best.
Best?
in
I
the
think still
But that
years
stinks
back.
way more.
Yeah.
Smoky, dude.
Yeah, exactly.
But that's why they work.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
But
I think
inside
How can you all be complaining about that?
Yeah, there are
I'm
mosquitoes.
like, what's
yeah,
the
what
irony?
smoke?
kinds of smoke I like. Okay, there's a tier of smoke.
See, the thing is, this product has been around our entire life.
Yeah.
There is no way it does not work, I feel.
Dude, I
It
really
has to
feel
work.
like
I mean, the marketing
Yeah.
works for sure.
the marketing.
I just don't think the product works.
I don't have the scientific argument for
Yeah,
this, but
that's
I
true.
think
It
it works.
must work.
Apparently better than this, and I know this is going to sound really lame. Grow neem in your house.
I've heard that.
Oh, really?
I've
Actually,
heard
and
that.
it's literally like your granny that you know neem
Yeah,
ka patta
yeah,
kadwa
yeah,
hai.
yeah.
But no, that's a different thing.
No, that's
So
not
that's a
what my
different
granny
one.
used to
That's
say.
not my granny used to say. Sarvan pancha padwa hai. But, they say that if you grow like around 4 plants of neem every 3 plants in your balcony,
Yeah.
there is a very high chance that you won't get creepy crawlies because creepy crawlies hate neem. Like
Oh.
they despise neem the same way we despise the BMC. It is
Oh.
the exact same way.
Oh,
Dude,
then we should
nice.
actually look into that. I really get the
What,
BMC.
the BMC
I'll
or
get the
like
BMC
more-
at home.
Oh, yeah.
I'll get the BMC at home.
Maybe then you can monitor their
We will pick
construction.
them up from the habitat right now.
Man, but I can't believe we're equally divided. I mean, not
Yeah.
about the habitat
About
thing.
the habitat.
this,
They're
about
they're
this.
very
We're all on the
united.
same side, yeah.
They're
Yeah.
united.
Pretty
that's why
united on the
united.
habitat thing.
Yeah, United, it sucks.
Hey!
Hey!
No! the BMC sucks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, but about back to good night, dude.
Yeah.
Dude, I can't believe it works for you. What do you mean by it
What
works
is the
for
other
you?
company? What is the
Morty,
other famous?
right?
No, not Morty.
अब
Good
company
night.
का
Oh, good
problem
night हो
नहीं
गया.
है. Good night is this.
All.
Good morning.
All night. No.
All night, I think
All
it's
out.
All Out,
I think
correct,
All
हाँ.
out works
Yeah.
better. It also doesn't
Yeah.
stink.
Okay.
Oh,
The
you
other
remember-
company is good morning. This
You
is
remember
good night.
the-
That is good morning.
You remember the all out ads when we were kids? They were like really
No.
cool ads. They had like a little one of these devices
Yeah.
that looked in the shape of a frog, and it would like open its mouth
Yeah,
and
yeah,
slash the
yeah,
mosquitoes in.
That's cute.
Then even
Did
Hit,
that
no,
work?
Hit also has.
Hit also
See,
had,
they had to do this bullshit for people to buy it because it doesn't work. They're like, what if it's a frog? Now do you want to buy it? It's a horse now. Fucking bullshit product, dude. I'm sorry. Good night, this is fuck all.
Okay, another product that you get about like around these kind of things is the rat killing thing. There was an ad that used to come yeah, this rat poison thing चूहे खाए ये poison घर पे मरे घर जाके घर के बाहर.
They used to show the rat running and
Yeah,
then at
and
the end
then
it
dying
like,
outside.
dying
Exactly.
outside the
Oh,
steps.
yeah,
Yeah.
Like I'm forgetting the quote. It was like
It really makes them like outdoorsy. Oh, at the second they have the poison, then I need to go clubbing.
I can't die in
And then
this
they're like,
house.
"Oh, fuck,
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
dying.
And then wasted.
Yeah, but I don't have a rat problem. I mean, I did for 2 weeks.
But
Then
you
the
got a
rat
cat.
stopped coming.
Yeah.
Dude, my cat doesn't do shit, dude. Doesn't do
It's
shit.
more for
He's-
looks.
yeah, he's just there, dude. I've shown him the lizard key, yeah, and he's just looking at me. Ki, what do you want?
What do you want to do? He's a
What?
friend.
Yeah, what do you want?
That's Lizzo.
But he won't do shit. But like rats would get scared thinking he would do something, so that is also enough. He won't do anything.
that's
But dude,
I remember I used to get pissed at my mom because she would not let me eat cheese, but she would keep a piece of cheese in the rat killing box. And I would let me eat the cheese.
that's to kill the rat.
I know, but I want
Did you at any point not be like,
That-
no, I'm going to eat that cheese?
cheese, just
Mom,
like
look what I'm
cheese in general.
eating.
Mom, the rats nowadays are really smart.
You said that sentence was framed in a way where you like it looked like you thought she loved the rat more.
Yeah.
She gave the rat cheese. I didn't
Are
get
you
cheese.
lactose intolerant though?
No, I'm not.
Oh, you're not.
Oh.
Okay.
She was not like
Okay.
I was also very fat. Maybe
Oh,
that's why. She was
maybe she just cared about your health and your arteries.
Oh man, but yeah,
Yeah.
fuck this shit. I bring
Yeah.
coils back.
I
Coils
Hashtag-
back.
I rated it full 10.
Then keep it.
Keep it, yeah.
Yeah.
Great.
It's
I
your
do need
trash.
the
now.
liquid.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
running out.
It's never worked, dude, for me.
It
It's
is.
genuinely never worked. I had to like, and रात को I can't keep my windows open क्योंकि I think in general
इसलिए
mosquitoes
ना
are a
कि
lot.
हाँ.
नहीं, and also near
live
the
in a much
national
greener area.
park.
Yeah, exactly.
Near the national park, so there are way more
Sure, yeah,
mosquitoes.
yeah.
And subah I can't keep my windows open because monkeys come in, so I just can't keep my windows open. But anyway, रात को but I haven't said this in the podcast. I think a monkey had come in my house. Okay, a monkey has come twice. 2 monkeys, I guess.
Wow,
I don't know
what
if it's the
floor are
same
you on
monkey.
Yeah, he
Fifth.
knocked on the door and all.
Uncle have been like, और तू तीसरा वाला था.
Woo. No, but once like my cat was in my room, I'd kept him in my room. I don't remember why, but then my window was open. I came back to my living room, and from the corner of my eye, I could see movement. Okay? And I was like, my cat's not outside, so who the fuck is this? I turned around, a monkey was just on my extension balcony ke वहाँ पर, just sitting there, and I was like, dude, this is gonna be weird because how do I
Get
take
rid
a
of a monkey,
monkey
yeah.
out, dude? Like it's not like a mosquito.
Why would you ask it for a date?
Dude, and also monkeys can like, injure cats and all that.
Yeah.
I was
वही-
imagining Moji just next to the monkey. Yeah, this is Luffy.
Yeah. Hi. What's up? No, but then I was just like, okay, what do? I just sat there. I mean, stood there. Ki, okay, what do? Monkey looked at me for only 1 second. He didn't even give a fuck about me. And then he just took 2 of my lighters and he went back out. He just left. I'm not kidding.
And how does
That's
that feel when someone else takes your lighter?
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah. And they'll be like, अरे भाई ये lighter मेरे pocket में कैसे आ गया यार? Oh,
I think
goes
the
to-
friend trained
Yeah.
this monkey.
Yeah. But the monkey goes to Bansha's house, takes his Pokemon cards away.
Hey.
Dude, 2 lighters. And I was like, dude, that's a 60
Yeah,
rupee
dude.
lighter. Take the cheaper one. That's a Stash Pro lighter. Take the 10 rupee one, man. What the fuck are you doing?
Dude, this monkey has class.
Taste,
Okay?
yeah.
He doesn't want this plastic
I think
shit.
this was a teenager monkey who just wanted to
Yeah.
smoke outside. Ki fuck
Luckily,
lighter
you didn't
hai
have your Zippo lighter,
Yeah.
big lighter out
I
there.
was looking for a Zippo.
Yeah, dude,
You
I've
fucking
never
get
seen a
Stash Pro.
monkey enter a house,
Imagine
take
a monkey.
lighter
And
and
fuck off.
leave.
Yeah. Imagine a monkey going. Just on it,
And then I'd be like, give it,
Yeah.
here, let me help you.
2 DP pass.
But yeah, that's my product. You
So
rated
it's
10. What do you
monkey,
rate this?
I rate it like a 2.
Yeah, dude.
Just for the ads.
Yeah,
For the
the
ads.
ads.
I
For
rated
the
2 to
ads.
3 for the ads.
The racket works much better. It's so much easier to use the bat.
My
It is
bat is
also so much
delayed,
more
so I have
satisfying.
to literally take the mosquito and put it against the wall, and then
And then
after some
hold
point
it.
you'll hear. And I'm like, oh, finally.
It's like you're choking the
Yeah,
mosquito.
yeah.
Come
It's
on.
like, die yet.
The third segment of our show basically is like a games segment. We usually do brand debates. Okay, these
Oh,
are like
interesting.
your the biggest brands in India or abroad, and you guys rate them in the order of your preference. Okay.
And like according to our ratings, the stock market fluctuates.
Oh yeah, correct.
crashes,
These
goes
are
up.
Oh,
the
fair enough.
most
So
important
fuck
ratings.
you guys for my Monday mornings.
Yes. See, because you talked about Pokemon cards on this show, all of them are getting appreciated. Dude.
I
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
And
true.
the
so
comments
am
are fans.
I.
Even the ones I've stolen, they're gonna appreciate.
Correct. Yeah, correct.
Those are going to really
Yeah.
appreciate.
Black Myth Wukong sales are off the charts.
How do you think it did $1 billion? I was talking
Yeah,
about
man.
it every day.
Yeah, dude, enjoy it, dude.
Okay.
So, are you guys much drinkers more? Like Govind recently talked about it. He's not much of a drinker anymore. You guys are?
I don't drink at all.
Yeah,
all?
he doesn't. I'm not much of a drinker,
Okay.
but I like collecting bottles.
Yeah.
Same
I-
premium
it's just
alcohols
got
and then
in
show
the-
them,
Yeah,
oh, I have an
exactly.
expensive bottle. My dad got it.
Yeah, exactly. I just
Okay.
like keeping like from different countries that I
Oh,
did not
sweet.
visit. My mom, dad went to meet my brother in the US. They got me something from Hawaii. My friend went to the US. I made him get something.
Oh.
Another friend went to Thailand. Chan went to Thailand. I made him get. I'm here. And then I'm like, that's from Trinidad.
Oh, yeah.
That's
Oh,
from
wow.
here."
You've been there?
No,
No.
Trinidad I have.
Actually,
Trinidad I did.
yeah.
Trinidad I did. But yeah.
Do you think like when we get older, we get back into alcohol a lot more? Like our generation, is that possible?
I mean, I won't see. I've never had. I mean, when I used to drink, I had a problem, but like that was early 20s,
Yeah.
and
Yeah,
then I
sure.
stopped.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
I don't think I never liked
I was
alcohol
a big
that
drinker
much.
when I was 15.
Do
that
you?
doesn't sound right.
I
Wait,
stopped.
15.
Yeah. I quit drinking at 17.
Oh,
The
damn.
fuck
Actually,
is
like
that?
on a very serious level.
Yeah,
Like when
So for 2 years,
Yeah.
you had like a bender.
when
did.
Bansha
How
was
bad
giving up.
It was that bad.
It was really bad.
Yeah,
Damn,
wow.
dude, I'm not even like joking anymore.
No,
That's-
I'm serious.
Yeah, yeah,
I'm
yeah.
serious.
Dude,
I was
Bansha
really
was giving
into
up
drinking.
medicines. You were giving up.
I was taking
17, dude.
I was taking medicine to get off.
Do you drink?
I stopped drinking alcohol the moment my acidity started to hit me. Like, you know, the moment I became 25, 26.
I know. That's
Yeah,
exactly
you know what I
the
mean? Yeah,
reason,
yeah.
once
Because
you
of the
cross
shit that I
age.
kept eating all the time.
Yeah.
And habits. So, acidity just, and after that, you just can't enjoy alcohol because the moment you drink a sip and you're just running to the washroom. Now, every time, imagine you're enjoying and you're like suddenly like, okay, I need to go and shit. now. I'll be back in 15. It's not fun.
But
That's
the way-
what's happening with me with coffee now. Every morning I'll go take a shit. Okay, my first morning shit, and then I have the first sip of my coffee, and immediately I have to take shit again.
Thank you.
Man, guys, I only have 2 hands. I
It's
I
like,
can't
it's
just.
like he's mothering two
Yeah.
small children.
I can't just be like, okay, now, okay, come on, guys.
Hold your mic properly.
Stop playing games. Just fucking learn how to hold a mic.
I've never had to deal with this with 2 people.
That's
So-
so much.
Sorry, your question was.
Okay.
Yeah.
Rate these alcohol brands
yeah.
in
Yeah.
your order of preference then.
Okay.
Smirnoff, Bacardi, Absolute, and Old Monk.
Smirnoff.
Smirnoff, Bacardi, Absolute, Old Monk.
Like alcohol brands, but
Yeah, you
they're
can talk about if you have like any nostalgic feelings
Yeah, no,
towards any
so
of them.
Absolute 1, Smirnoff 2nd. So what was the third?
Smirnoff, Bacardi, Absolute, Old Monk. So
Actually,
Absolute
Smirnoff, Absolute, Bacardi, Smirnoff, and then Old Monk. Old Monk is.
Breezer is
I
Bacardi,
also
right?
hate Old
Oh, yeah.
Monk, dude. I
Oh,
despise
I
it.
love
Sorry.
Breezer.
Bacardi's Breezer, yeah.
Bacardi.
Okay. I thought that was a random fact.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you for your.
Breezer stocks went up also.
No, but I get what you mean. It's actually.
Give me
Smirnoff, Bacardi. Sorry?
Bacardi for me. Bacardi on top.
okay.
Then Absolute because I saw a bottle lying around here somewhere the other day. So I think Shreyas.
That's
went to
it?
Goa.
That's
Yeah,
the
yeah,
reason
because
it's
it's
second?
fresh in my
It's-
head.
yeah, it's a
I just
recency
seen,
bias.
oh, okay, they're still around.
Yeah.
And
And-
what was the other ones?
Bacardi, Smirnoff, Absolute.
Because it
Absolute.
was cheap, and when you're
Absolute.
in
Sure.
college in school, that's all you can get.
And
Old Monk.
Absolute, I think.
No, Absolute is
No, Absolute is second.
sorry.
Old
Yeah,
Monk.
and the last was Old Monk because I was never a rum drinker. So
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
See, a
But
big
Old
prob-
Monk say I just have like.
Yeah,
I
I have bad
get a
memory
headache.
attached to
the thing
it.
is, no, Old Monk has this like a great combination is Old Monk and Coke, right?
Yeah,
Old Monk and Pepsi,
yeah.
whatever, right? Excellent combination. But dude, for the next 2-3 days, whenever you drink Coke, just regular Coke, you taste that Old
That
Monk
Old
and it
Monk.
fucking
The back
gives
of
you
your throat, yeah.
that's PTSD shit, dude.
Yeah, I
Oh,
think it's
shit. Yeah.
PTSD for
Yeah,
everyone.
I get
Did
it.
you have a lot
No,
of
no,
Old Monk?
Smirnoff, Apple. That
Apple,
Smirnoff
Smirnoff Apple.
I remember Apple Smirnoff reminds me of vomit. Because the first time these guys binge drink, they all drank this one bottle, the cheapest.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
was more expensive than Magic Moments.
Yeah,
But
of
less
course.
expensive than
Absolute,
Absolute.
yeah.
See, Absolute at a party, you know that you're going to have other good alcohol because this person could afford it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
When you see that Smirnoff bottle, you're like, oh god, cheapo. Antiquity milne wala hai.
London Pilsner.
Oh my
beer.
god.
That's what London Pilsner.
Howard beer.
Hayward 5000, yeah.
But
So-
yeah, so what do you
Hayward.
rate?
Is that
Oh,
Harvard?
I'd rate Absolute right on top.
Absolute right
I'd
on
rate,
top.
Old Monk.
Oh.
I actually like Old Monk in desserts. So if you ever had
Oh yeah, like
yes,
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 yeah,
right.
yeah,
Old
of
Monk,
course,
it-
of course.
It sings through
Yeah,
the
yeah.
chocolate.
Yeah.
I'd keep Smirnoff last. And
Yeah,
the third
fair.
one, whichever the third option was.
What was it?
Bacardi.
Bacardi.
Bacardi,
Bacardi.
Bacardi is fine.
Bacardi
Bacardi
fine.
is fine.
Bacardi
Yeah.
Limon is my like.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
great.
love
Very
it.
nice. Lovely white
The
rum.
only thing I still like is that Old Monk. I don't think they have it still, but like they used to have that bottle.
With the Old Monk.
Yeah. That was very
yeah,
good.
yeah,
That was a
yeah.
fucking good bottle. Very well done with that. But अंदर तो Old Monk ही है ना तो मैं I don't want that.
Dude, Bacardi on top for me is only because of Breezer, because that was the first alcoholic drink I had. And so my dad was a big beer drinker, and every time he was he was home, he's on a holiday, so he'll just take me in his car and we go for a ride. And he would feel bad that I'm drinking and he's just drinking Coke. So he started getting me Breezers. When I was
How
like
old were you?
I was 13.
How sweet. Yeah, I should get him also drunk.
यार
go
मैं
on
अकेला
drives.
कैसे मिल रहा ये लोग कोके
But to be
Don't
fair,
get
Parsis
drunk.
by the age of 2 and 3, when we fall sick,
Yes.
the first thing that is given to us is brandy.
Brandy,
pani.
yeah.
Like
Yeah,
yeah,
so
same,
South
same,
Indians,
same.
South
And we
Indians
didn't go
also.
like- we didn't go like chamach and
Yeah,
all.
hey,
Bottle,
cheers,
like,
aye.
mom would be like, take a sip.
Yeah.
So you're like, and she's pulling that bottle away from us like, you stupid alcoholic. Give me that bottle. This is expensive.
Yeah, 2-3 years just like yeah, let's go.
Rich!
You can't be falling sick every week. That's not how it's done.
That's when I had a major alcohol problem, like as a kid. That's when I was not allowed, and I was just like, I want everything.
Bro, I can fully relate. Fully.
What a childhood! I wish I had that much alcohol. But what do you rate?
I would rate Bacardi first because I
Lemon.
love lemon.
Fair.
I
Small-
love the name Lemon. It's a
Yeah.
nice Bacardi Lemon.
It's
It
hard
sounds-
lemonade,
Yeah.
right? That's
Then
hard lemonade?
Absolute above
I think so.
Smirnoff. I'm not a big fan of vodka, but just because Absolute is slightly smoother vodka for me.
Yeah,
is what I
Yeah,
And I like the
but
design
firstly,
of the
I hate
bottle.
vodka.
Yeah.
Haan, to be
Absolute just
honest,
because brand.
all the brands you said,
Yeah,
I
they're
like
like
gin.
mostly vodka.
Gin.
Haan.
Oh, okay.
Heard of
I'm
gin
sorry,
guys.
I just-
The gin
Yes.
guys.
Yeah.
I think it's just
Because-
people. It's like just the creative people is
Yeah.
all like gin.
Gin,
Yeah,
mostly.
you
because
know-
it's so dry, like their lives. This kind of. So, yeah.
No, that too, and also because
Expected
like,
to go there.
but
You're right,
also
though.
that's true. But also the fact that it doesn't give me the worst hangovers. Whiskey
Yes.
and all just
Yes.
That's
fucks
true.
me up.
Have you
too
had
much.
slow gin ever?
What is
What
the
is
slow
that?
gin?
It's I don't know why it's called slow gin. Okay, the reason why it's called slow gin because it hits you slowly.
Oh, so you know.
Yeah. So eventually you're drinking like, oh, ये कुछ नहीं हो रहा, कुछ नहीं हो रहा, and then suddenly you're like, oh, I can't see the glass
Yes.
anymore.
Yeah.
It's like drinking cocktails, right? You
Yes,
don't realize.
yeah,
what
You
yeah,
do
you're
not
doing.
realize.
Yeah.
It could also be the process in which it's made. I might be just dhapping, but this is what was told to me about slow gin.
It just hits you
Oh
slowly.
yeah, it could also be the process.
Or it could be like a very slow, evil
Person.
character from Islamic culture, like a slow gin.
Okay, last is Old Monk. I'm guessing
Yeah,
for
last
you.
one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do one more and then
Okay.
we'll finish.
Yeah,
and
one
one
more?
more. I have. So the thing is, no. Recently, I was watching an episode of now one of India's biggest podcasts, WTF Nikhil Kamath.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
In that they had all these people from Blue Tokai.
Yeah,
Third Wave
yeah,
Subco,
yeah.
Coffee
They're talking
people.
about that.
Yeah.
And they got into a discussion about how fucking awesome Mech Cafe is.
It's incredible.
Incredible.
It
I
is.
So
love
I
it.
would love if
McDonald's cafe.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes,
McCafe,
McDonald's
yeah.
Cafe.
Okay.
McCafe.
Okay,
So I would
have
love-
something to complain about,
Yeah.
but yeah, okay, yeah.
So I would love if you guys can rate these 4 coffee brands. then.
Okay.
Starbucks, Blue Tokai, Third Wave, McCafe. all
Starbucks
the modern
bottom.
ones.
Starbucks
Indian
is
Starbucks
last.
bottom.
Shit.
Bottom.
Starbucks
Bottom.
is last.
Indian
Absolutely,
Starbucks
absolutely.
bottom.
Okay, wait. From top,
Yeah.
क्या Starbucks Blue Tokai?
Third Wave and McCafe.
Okay,
because
Blue
these two-
Tokai first because
Yeah.
I've genuinely given them so much
Bro,
money.
you literally
It is-
have.
Yeah, we have Blue Tokai on
Dude,
right now.
No,
I swear to God, I have given them so. You better sponsor me, dude. I have.
I
Please
know.
let me,
half of the podcast. Yeah.
dude. Please, yeah,
And the
sponsor.
counter, the cashier.
I'm not even kidding. I need to make that money back. I've spent so much on Blue Tokai. It's a problem. But Blue Tokai,
Yeah.
McCafe tha na?
McCafe,
Okay,
yes.
Blue Tokai, Third Wave, McCafe, and Starbucks.
Starbucks is gonna be last for
Yeah,
everyone. I know.
everyone.
Dude, what is this? How does Starbucks not realize that we hate their coffee, dude?
Dude, it's and like the problem I have with Mech Cafe is they have good coffee. They
Yeah.
do have good coffee,
Too
but
much-
like I got an iced coffee, iced
Yeah.
latte, जो भी वो लोग का
Iced
है.
coffee उनका.
Iced coffee है ना?
Yeah.
वही I got one of those ones, ठीक है? And like कोई तो mall के ऊपर यहाँ पे था, तो I just got it. I went to my seat. I opened it, dude. They always put it's so much ice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, it's too much ice. So I went back because 2 sips and it was done. And I was like, dude, this can't be. I went back. I was like, dude, you guys can't put this much ice. They were like, but that's the regulatory
So, exactly, a
thing.
trick-
And I was like, but guys, you 2 sips is not a coffee. I
Yeah.
need
So this is a trick I do every time I go
No
buy
ice
any beverage
in
from
iced coffee?
Always, anything.
in iced coffee, Baba.
You're right, iced coffee.
Iced
Iced
coffee
you
but
need
no
ice.
ice.
You're right,
Yeah,
right,
you
yeah.
can't ask them without ice.
It's about the fix.
Yeah.
I'm not getting the fix.
Dude, that's what I'm saying. I was
right,
like,
you're
dude, I
right.
need the coffee. This did
Yeah.
nothing. They were like, we can't do anything. We have to put that much ice. I was like, no one's watching. Just put less ice. But I got so pissed at her for like a minute. Then I was like, why am I shouting at her? She
Yeah.
can't do anything about
You
it.
just be like, मुझे सर्दी है, less ice, please.
But iced coffee only.
But iced coffee.
For that reason, I don't like McCafe. They have good coffee, but it's the iced coffee is just too much. It's just ice.
Sure, fair enough. That makes sense.
Sorry,
yeah.
I just wanted
but
to
what I'm saying
verify,
is like
but yeah.
whenever I get like a beverage like a Coke or Thumbs Up or something from
Like in a
McDonald's,
theater or
yeah, always
ask
cold without ice.
Yeah.
Always
Yeah.
ask for that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What
But
would
then-
you?
Yeah.
What would
I
you?
I'm not much of a coffee drinker.
not?
Like, y'all should not have given it to me. That's been so hyper this entire time. And I can't put the mic in front of me. But I like McDonald's because the consistency. I feel like sometimes Blue Tokai third wave tends to waver with consistency. It's quite expensive. Blue Tokai,
Yeah.
they're
Dude,
not
oh,
cheap.
tell me,
They're
tell
quite
me
expensive.
about it. I know.
Also, those two brands seem like coffee snobs.
Yeah,
Like brand, the entire brand.
Third
you
wave
know, little
isn't
bit-
much of a snob. They just expanded so much that
That's
they are
true.
fine.
But-
But Blue Tokai is a
Yeah,
little bit
yeah.
of
I
a snob.
remember
You know,
Blue Tokai came to
purists.
Jaipur like 8 years ago, and this was before Jaipur went through a cafe culture or a coffee they became coffee enthusiasts. Now they have some of the best coffee.
You all
in
have
Jaipur.
the best
Yeah.
citric coffees I
Yes,
have never
yes,
tasted anywhere
yes.
else.
That's why I want to give a shout out to Half Light. I think I brought the coffee.
Yeah,
on
yeah,
the
I have
last
that
episode.
coffee. I made that
Dude,
coffee.
I'll make you some coffee after this. It is incredible.
What do you
Blue
say?
Tokai, not
Or-
only stand in front of him.
Or
at all.
we can spend more money on Blue Tokai. Let's just.
Oh
keep-
yeah.
No, but I
Let's
was
just-
going to say the best coffee that I've had is the one that is homebrewn because I just
Yes.
love
Yeah.
how each individual has a very specific,
Specific process.
flavor
Good.
that they want to
Yes,
do it
yes,
at. And I
yes.
love because it's like watching a video, like them taking it out, putting it in, then like this is how I will drip it, to this is how I will
Yeah,
push
yeah,
it. I have no idea what they're
Yes.
doing.
But
I
it
have an
looks so nice.
AeroPress, I have a mocha pot, I have a espresso machine, and then I order Blue Tokai. I'm fucking crazy. I don't know what I'm doing.
You're crazy. You're super fucking lazy, dude. That's all.
Anyway, some mornings I wake up, I'm like, man, I wish the coffee would be here by the time I'm done brushing. Oh, wait, there is a way to do that. And that's it. What's yours then? What is your food?
From this list, I think Blue Tokai, third wave. Then what was the third one?
McCafe and
Oh no,
Starbucks.
no. Second is McCafe.
Yeah.
Third is Blue Tokai. Third
wave.
wave, and then final one is Starbucks.
Starbucks is
Yeah,
fuck
Starbucks
Starbucks
sucks.
coffee.
No,
Yeah.
screw
It's
that.
Starbucks
shit
really
coffee.
bad.
I only used to go there to sit there for 5 hours because sometimes I won't order anything
Yeah.
and I'd sit and work there. 2 hours later also no one's come
Oh, great.
to
Because
tell
they're so
me.
busy, you're right.
Yeah, and I sometimes, dude, I used to go to the washroom, come back. I was like, man, these guys don't care. I love that, but I wish your coffee was better.
But I must admit that the first time Starbucks came to India, I did drive all the way to Delhi to try Starbucks.
From Jaipur.
From
you went all the way
Jaipur.
Oh my
around.
god, I was like
Wow.
from Mumbai. I'm
No,
like,
no, no,
that's
no,
a
no.
problem,
I was in
dude.
Jaipur.
That's not cool. That's just
No,
that's
I remember the first time Starbucks came here. I was in college and I think Jai Hind had some fest. BMWM Fest, and I was there at Jai Hind and I saw someone hold a Starbucks cup and I was like, that's like from the movies. Oh my god, I was so blown away ki I'm in Churchgate, but that's like Hollywood and just Starbucks. This is Churchgate, is in New York, who can tell? Wait, thank you so much for coming.
Thank
man.
you so
That
much
was
for
so
having me,
much
guys.
fun.
This was so
great.
much
That
fun,
was
dude.
great. Yeah. Have you got anything? or, like the audio? Have you got
Like
anything?
the first half of the episode, I got like every odd word.
We'll,
Yeah, that's exactly what it was.
we'll make AI fill the rest of it.
I don't
Oh,
care
go
if you
up.
got nothing.
Like Nadania. Sorry, what?
Oh, nice.
No, yeah, but oh, sorry, you were saying.
No, nothing.
Okay, do you want to plug something in? Whatever you want to say.
Oh, hey guys.
I like how you started with "Hey guys," and it was the start of the video. Hey guys, welcome to the
welcome to the podcast and
no, like your own
no, my
channel,
own thing.
whatever.
We coming out with some original content on YouTube now. We'll be doing a lot more gaming content.
Yes.
And look out for TV shows that I might be in
Whoa.
the not what is that close future. I really don't know what's happening to my English.
Yeah.
But anyway, yeah, and stay tuned. There's a lot of new stuff. This year is all about rebranding, growing, and obviously no comedy anymore because well.
Aha!
For
Whoa,
that reason,
whoa.
please subscribe to the show also because we
And-
also can't do
yeah.
stand-up
Yeah,
anymore. and
that's
this is
true.
all
I
we
mean,
have.
well, look what there's no more
That's
stand up. He podcast kar raha hai,
हाँ
बेचारा.
भाई, there's no stand up.
no
And also
stand-up.
comment more, dude. Fucking comment. Oh,
Yeah.
sorry. This
Yeah, oh,
sounded
you
very
can't do.
aggressive.
No.
We should
This
try and
sounded
set
aggressive.
a comment target. Like we should have at least like
Guys, please.
40 comments.
please
You will
comment
disappoint
more.
yourself.
Yeah.
No, I'm just kidding.
Sorry,
No, no.
you never know,
So
right?
mean.
Right?
Guys,
No, I didn't mean it that way.
I don't want to set a target we can't achieve.
You know how we're increasing comments? I keep replying to everyone and I'm like, oh, now it's 20.
Yeah.
Now it's 20 comments.
That's when you want to get that 100 comments, so you
Yeah.
respond to those 50 and you're like,
But let's make it easy. Let's aim for like 25 comments.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Fair,
Guys,
guys.
25 comments,
25
please.
comments.
Excluding
Please.
our comments.
Yeah, please. I'm
Yeah,
begging
Yeah,
you, please.
say anything. Say how much, what you rate our products.
Yeah.
Say how much you love Bansha.
Who's your
Anything you
favorite
want.
who was your favorite Pokemon? You know,
Yeah.
Great. What a
Yeah,
great
perfect,
comment, dude.
perfect.
Amazing.
Which is your favorite Pokemon? Because we can't give who to Pokemon.
Hey.
Yeah.
Nice.
But
I
thank you
got
for
offended
watching.
there.
Like, share, subscribe, share. Yeah, thanks. Ooh.
You should have that post video thing like, hi guys, I'm Govind, hi, this is Hoshang, hi, this is Zarvan, please subscribe to our channel. This is also Antariksh. We don't normally keep him in the videos.
This is like filter copying a video.
yeah. AIB OG.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, but thank you.
Thank you,
See
thank
you.
you.
Bye,
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 bye.
bye, bye, bye.
Bye, take care, bye.